class third C, class third C, subject GSC and date 12/10/2020. So we are studying lesson lesson 14, changing weather. 75. Changing weather. Lesson 14. Changing weather. Changing weather. In this lesson, we have studied about the pre-reading questions and aim of the lesson. So today we study what makes the weather. What makes the weather? What makes the weather? By reading this lesson, weather is the day-to-day condition of the air of a particular place. It depends on sun, wind, clouds and rain. The sun plays a big role in the changes of weather. The sun heats the air, the land and the water. Means sun heats everything. Bright sunny days are hot. It is cooler during the morning and evening because the sun's rays are slanting. At noon, it is hot because the sun is overhead and its rays falls straight. What happens during the morning time? Suppose we are standing here. In the morning time, the sun little more. This side, suppose we are standing here, and in the morning time, the sun is coming from this side, and the evening also coming from this side. But in the noons, these rays are straight, so feeling more heat during the noon in relation to morning and the evening. So nights are cooler than days. During the course of a single day, the weather changes several times. The winds too affect the weather a lot. When the wind blows softly, it is called breeze. So when the wind blows softly, it is called breeze. Breeze is the blowing up wind softly. Strong winds cause storms. Strong winds cause storms and may even uproot trees and lamp posts. During summer, the hard winds called Lu make the weather unpleasant and uncomfortable. During winter, cold winds make the days very cold. The clouds. The clouds. We are familiar with clouds. We can see the clouds during the winter season. In winter season, clouds brings the rain. Other seasons, hardly we can see the clouds. The moisture evaporated from lakes, rivers and seas rises up, reaching the cooler layer of air. It takes the shape of clouds. If we go upside, then we find one cooler layers of the atmosphere. So when the moisture, or we can say that the moist air reach into the cooler regions of air, cooler layer of air, it takes the shape of clouds. They make the weather cloudy. On a cloudy day, the sun is overcast with clouds and the sun's rays cannot reach us. Therefore, cloudy day is not very hot. But cloudy nights after sunny days are warmer because the clouds do not let the heat of the sun, because the clouds do not let the heat of the earth escape into the atmosphere. You know that it prevents the escaping of heat from the earth. So that is why cloudy nights are hotter than the clear nights. Because the clouds do not let the heat of the earth escape into the atmosphere. Next one, rain. Clouds cause rain. Rains make the weather wet. It brings the temperature down. Sometimes raindrops, while falling to the earth, take the shape of hail, stones or snow. In some places, heavy rain causes flood. When it does not rain for a long time, it causes drought. So rain, we are familiar to the rain. Clouds stay on the air. When they are the heavier than the air, they comes down on the earth in the form of water drops. This is called as the rain. So clouds cause rain. Rains make the weather wet. It brings the temperature down. Sometimes raindrops, while falling to the earth, take the shape of hails, stones or snow. In some places, heavy rain causes flood. When it does not rain for a long time, it causes the drought. So sometimes we see the useful and harmful both effect of the rain. Heavy rain causes flood. and flood destruct the nature, destruct the plants. It causes death of a lot of animals, destruction of roads, crops, etc. etc. In the same way, very less rain causes drought. Drought causes the water scarcity of water, that leads to scarcity of the drinking water, and that may leads to death of many organisms due to the scarcity of the water, and our crops become the dried, and the agriculture is badly affected. So, weather keeps changing. Weather keeps changing. Thus, we have seen that weather. Thus, we have seen that weather depends on the sun, wind, clouds, rain, etc. So, it is bound to change with the change in any of these four factors. It may be hot or cold, clean or cloudy, rain or snowy. In fact, it keeps changing. The weather may change any moment. The weather may change any moment. So, it may change from day to day or at night. It is also possible that the same weather continue for several days together. Again, it may change all of a sudden at any moment. Thank you. That's for today.